Number, you'll just put that number right there. There you go.
This is our first in-person event in Shreveport-Bossier City. Right before COVID, we received a $3 million grant from the Department of Defense to bring our STEM Nola model to military-connected communities.
All right, man, try this one on and see how it fits.
We have over 100 kids here today, and that shows you that there's a thirst in the community for knowledge and exposure to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
This is going to be fun, it's going to be interesting. Hold on, guys. You see me hold up this far, you go, ooh. You see me hold this far, and
Today, our session is on the lung and circulatory system.
Oh, that's a big smile. That's what we're talking about.
Every month we would do a different event around some subject. Our goal is to expose kids. For example, we have medical doctors here today. We have a bunch of healthcare professionals. We have students from Bossier City Community College, LSU Health Science Centers. The kids will not only be exposed to the lung and the respiratory system, but they'll be exposed to people. They'll be exposed to the human capital and the technical capital, such that they can make a connection and say, you know what, I can do this too.
Learning has to be multimodal, right? I have to think about the kid that I was. If I were sitting in the stands at any age, what would keep me engaged? How would I remember it? I might not remember the word, but I can remember the funny sound, I can remember the body movement, and I can definitely remember how it made me feel, so I'm more likely to remember what they're trying to teach.
Y'all want to feel?
Yeah, y'all can feel it. Look, feel right there. That's a tube.
That's hard.
It is hard.
The beauty of this is the looks on the kids' faces when they walk in are totally different when they walk out, and the smiles and the engagement. When I tell you, to feel like they, not only do they feel like they've learned something, they feel like they've created something, and they can't wait to tell other people about it.
So that way when you let air in, it'll expand like a lung. When you suck the air out, it'll contract like a diaphragm does, and the oxygen, CO2, will be released.
This is unbelievable, and I was just so grateful for this opportunity because we experienced it online a few months back, and to see it come across my email, I was like, we have to go, and it has blown my mind. Like, the energy is so amazing. You could feel it through the Zoom, but being in the midst of it is unbelievable.
I did. Good job.
It's an experience. I was just telling someone, I didn't see the inside of any animal's lung until I got to med school. Imagine these kids over here at 6, 7, 8 years old touching a sheep heart or a sheep lung and understanding how it works. You know, kids are amazing when they know something. They get real confident, and that's what we want, right?
What did you do?
I made this. It's like what the lungs do when you breathe in and out.
Exposure is key. For example, today, most kids only get exposed to doctors when they are sick. At an event like this, they get to meet not only doctors, but engineers and technologists in a very collaborative, rewarding experience. This day will stick with these kids for the rest of their life.